Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to set up a sales page so that we can track the results on Google Analytics. So we're going to go to the page area and create a new page. And we're just going to create a test sales page. And we're just going to publish and save this page. So our sales page is now ready. We also need a thank you page that also will serve as a download page. So we're going to go ahead and create that page also. Now, one thing to note about a sales page, much depends on your checkout process. So for example, if your checkout process takes someone to a thank you page first, and they're actually going to get a download page by email, you'll want to take note of that. If they're going to be sent to a download page, and that's the only page that they're going to be sent to, you're going to want to take note of that before you actually start looking at how to structure your Google Analytics. So now that we have our sales pages in place, we're going to go to the goals section, and we're going to create a new goal. And we're going to work with the existing template that someone makes a payment as the goal. We're going to click continue, and then we're going to give this goal a name, and we're going to make this a destination goal. We're going to click continue, and now we're going to put in the web page URL of the one landing page that people have to go to. So in this particular case, you're going to want to take note of, again, whether or not the checkout process takes them to the download page or the thank you page. So whichever one is most relevant, you want to put that one in this goal area. Once you've done that, you're going to click Save. And now you actually have your second goal available, which is Sales Made. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.